Hello students, a carpenter wants to make a rectangular frame using two wooden strips, that is diagonals, but he knows the length of only one diagonal, that is 8 centimeter. Can he still make a rectangle? Yes, let us help him to make the rectangle by giving some ideas using the concepts what we studied already. This is your Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you will learn concepts first and marks will follow automatically. Shall we go and help the carpenter to fix the frame? Okay, now let us help the carpenter by deducing the concepts what we learned in class 7. Shall we go and help him? Yes, now he is having two wooden strips, no? Okay, like this one. And like this one, he arranges the two strips like this, but he knows the length of only one wooden strip. That one, this is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, one wooden strip he knows. But he is going to complete it into the form of a rectangle through with the help of the thread they gave. With the help of the thread, he is going to complete it into the form of a rectangle. He is going to complete it. You can adjust the wooden strip such that that forms a rectangle. But whether it is a rectangle or not, we are going to deduce it one by one. Okay, now first let me take this triangle BAD. This one is BAD, triangle BAD. And in this one color, this one and this one. Next one, this triangle. Consider the two triangles. And in the two triangles, these two sides he fixed same because rectangle, two sides. That is, what are the two sides? Okay, let me say as it is because you know this already. These two sides are equal and this angle is 90 degree and here also 90 degree. That means this angle is 90, this angle is 90, this side and this side is equal. Now only one thing we want to prove that angles are equal. What angles? Any two angles we have to any one. That means one either angle or side. Okay, but it is necessary? No, there is already one thing to prove. There is a common side. This base is the common side. No, so by SAS by SAS congruence, this is proved. You recall the class 7 portion, congruence. Okay, now what is with the help of that one, we can say that side BD and side AC are equal. That's all we want. What we want in deduction 1, what we deduced it, what we have proved it now in the first proof, we have proved that the two diagonals are equal. Okay, we'll go to second proof. Now deduction 2, that is topic 2. What we are going to see in this one, now these two triangles are shaded, and now like previous one we are going to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Then in this given, what is given now? AB is equal to CD. Why? Sides, opposite sides of rectangle are equal, that's all. Then angle AOB and angle DOC or DOC are equal. Why? Vertically opposite angles given and vertically opposite angles. One more pair we need. For that, what I will do, I will take the help of this one, angle 1, angle 2. That is 90 degree. 1 plus 2 is 90 degree. Now this angle 3 and this angle 4. This is also 90 degree. This is 90. This is 90. Okay. Now what we want? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 90 degree. Also angle 2 plus angle 4 equal to 90 degree. This is how this is 90. How? Think and say. Just pause the video, think it, then you say check whether what I am saying is right or wrong. Because in triangle BDC, This 90 degree, 90 degree in the sum of the angles is 180. Therefore, 90 over means 2 plus 4 must be 90 degree. Now consider these two. Okay, these two will take it. What is that? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 4 equal to 90 degree. That means these two are equal. Okay, angle 1 plus 2 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. That means what? These two are equal and angle 2 and 2 are common. That means angle 1 equal to angle 4. That means this you can cancel. Angle 1 and angle, you can leave it simply, but I am cancelling for showing. Angle 1 equal to 4. That means these are the vertically alternate interior angles. But we don't want that one. We could have taken directly alternate angles. Now, without considering that property, we are directly proving that 1 and 4 are equal. Therefore, one more thing, we proved that angle 1 equal to angle 4. Angle 4. So, AAS, we have to go like that. AAS. Yes, AAS is also congruent. So, by AAS congruence, this is congruent. These two triangles are congruent. What is the purpose of these two triangles to prove congruent? We proved that because of the congruent, these two small triangles are congruent. We proved that BO in the triangle and OD in the triangle are equal. We proved that BO equal to OD. BO equal to OD. Also, AO equal to OC. That means these diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Now, the third deduction is what are the angles between the diagonals. Okay, now consider one rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Yes, I have drawn one rectangle. Now, in this rectangle, let you see, name this as ABCD. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, what are the angles between the diagonals they are asking? Okay, let me take the line segment itself to draw. It will be neat enough. Okay, now lines. Okay, what are the angles between the diagonals? What they say, suppose let us assume that this is 60 degree. One angle is 60 degree. Then what happens to this angle? No need to say no. What is there to say? It will become 120 degree. And this one vertically opposite angle, this will become 60 degree. For this vertically opposite angle or linear pair, you can call and say 120. Now this is 60, and what about this angles? What about these angles? Because this 60 and these two sides are equal, diagonals bisect each other, means then what happens? These two are equal, hence this must be 60, 60, 60. Oh, what happened? All 60, 60. It doesn't look like an equilateral triangle also. Okay. Suppose you see here. If I consider this angle to be 50 degree. What will happen to this one? 130. This will become 50. This will become 130. Then also this will come equal, means 50 over 130, 130 in 180 minus 50, 130 in 130, it will be 65 degree. This will be 65 degree. That are the angles of the angles between the diagonals. I am finding this one also by assuming that these two are equal. But actually we have proved that it is a rectangle, hence diagonals bisect each other. First of all, the carpenter has only two strips. With the help of that one, he constructed one rectangle and proved that it is actually a rectangle. By proving that, he has proved these four conditions. We are able to deduce these four conditions that opposite sides are equal with the help of congruence. All the angles are 90. Yes. Then diagonals are equal. Yeah, one more thing also. Diagonals bisect each other. Yeah, bisect each other means what is that? You know, one diagonal divides the other one into two equal parts. That second diagonal divides the first one into two parts. First diagonal divides the second one into two parts. That means diagonals bisect each other. These are the 4 properties, very important properties we learned in this Carpenter's problem. In the next video, we will see the problems based on this one. Okay. Suppose you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and you are already watching, watch the video till the end and try to understand the concepts. Pass on this video to all the class 8 students so that they can learn and get benefited. Let us see in the next video in problem solving. Till then, bye from your Pragasam sir.